how to delete or remove widget on iPhone home screen. So if you have multiple widgets on your iPhone home screen just like this, and I want to remove any of the widgets, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to remove or delete widgets on iPhone, you need to follow the step below. Here I'm going to use iOS 18. On my iOS 18 device, just go ahead, press and hold the home screen just like this until you see the application jiggling. Now locate the widget you want to delete or remove and click on the delete button on the widget top left. Then you should see for that says remove stack. Removing this widget stack will not delete any app or data, so go ahead and tap remove. Then once you clone and you see the application adjusted itself automatically. If you don't like this adjustment, just drag the other widget to wherever you want it to be. And once that is done, go ahead and click on done at top right. You can repeat this on all other widgets you have on your iPhone if you want to remove them. And that is all you need to do. So that is basically how to remove or delete widgets on iPhone home screen. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.